Yo, so what's good, fam? Uh, I'm in Walmart, as y'all can tell, but man, it just slowed down for me, man. It just slowed down, like bad. I done drove all the way from Santan to Queen Creek and still don't have nothing. So I'm gonna just come get me something to drink and try to continue throughout my day, man. You know, it's just crazy. I'm like, I don't even feel right now. My stomach hurts. I don't know if it's because of the coffee I drank or if I just need to eat. I mean, I do need to eat, but I know my stomach hurts like this because of the coffee or whatever, but I get something soon. Keep looking at these laptops in Walmart. I don't know why, man, because, you know, let me just go get a good one. The one I bought, like, that I use now, you know, I bought it here at Walmart, man, but they don't give you a lot of nothing. No lot of memory on there. It's not enough memory on the computer itself. Like, you think that you're getting a good deal, but when you really start to use it, it's just like, man, I should have just spent a little bit more to maybe get a little bit more, you know what I mean? But I'm gonna just come up in here and give me something to drink real quick, and then it's back out here, y'all. So I'll let y'all in a little bit.
Yeah. You gonna do that at the same time? Yep. Lame. 2 for 20. That's gonna be there.
And we kicked it to the side and it went back on fire. We're like, oh my god.
Yeah. Yo, so man, we out here, man, going to the Florence Fest. It's dark, y'all, so I hope y'all can see me. You know, but just going to catch the fireworks. I thought they would have been going by now, but I was wrong. But it's kind of good that we didn't come as early as I wanted to, because it's packed up here, y'all. It is so packed. It's gonna be forever to get up out of here. Look at all these cars. It's gonna take forever. Take forever to get out of here. Anyway, y'all, to catch y'all when I get me a seat and stuff like that. So I'm out here, man. Just straight getting it. I thought they might have like a fee or something at first. I was like, do we gotta buy tickets? You see, I had to duck.
I don't want to get too far from the bathroom.
Okay. I was just about to say, shoot, we can sit right here. Anyway, man, I'm gonna sit, holler at y'all a little bit. Funny.
Thank you very much.
You got 100.
Man, so those fireworks were straight fire, man. It was fun, man. It was good. It was good. But man, I'm coming up here, you know, to fill up for the morning, and then give me something to drink out of here. Y'all know how it goes, man. Whew. Heck of a night, man. I'm tired. I'm trying not to get a coffee out of here and just something to drink. But man, I don't know how I'm gonna put this video together, y'all, but you know, no matter how it turns out, man, I hope y'all liked it. If you did, can you leave me a like? Subscribe to the channel, man. Show your boy some love. But with all that being said, man, I'm Audi 5000. Catch y'all on the next one.